public speaker, trainer, one and only, Mr. Joshua. A big round of applause for him.
Those of you that don't have any position, you lead yourself to school, and therefore you're a leader. That's preparing you to be an excellent leader in the future, because the country's growth and development lies in your hands. So, and you should know, leaders do speak a lot. In fact, you realize as you grow that the biggest role of a leader is to communicate a vision, to communicate a sense of direction, and encourage the people that they are leading to charter a certain path, to take off to a certain. The first thing you want to keep in mind is understand why am I being called to speak? Some of you are going to speak to pray. Some of you are going to give an announcement. But in the future, some of you will speak to inspire, to motivate, to entertain. And this usually will also happen here. In some cases, you'll be invited here to speak, to entertain your colleagues, to share information and all that.
Big round of applause.